In the book of Proverbs 16:9, it says, you make the plans, but I direct your steps. The question is, are you even making plans so that God can direct your steps? That's what we want to help you with. My name is Kathy McReynolds, y'all, and on the January 6th, we're going to be helping you plan and set goals. It's so important. It's all in the Word, and we're going to do it from a faith perspective. And we're going to be going over so many things that's going to help you impact your life and help you to change your life and to get the life that you truly desire. So if you're ready to have the best 2024, the best life ever, then I want you to click the link that's down below, somewhere around here in the comments, and get registered for the faith-fueled goals. So you can set some faith-fueled goals, because there are so many things that when it comes to directing your life that we allow other people to do. You allow the world to tell you what you should become, who you should be, what you should have, where you should live, and what you should do. How often do you go to God and be like, okay, God, what is it that you want me to do? How is it that you want me to do it? What are you calling me for? So that's what we're going to talk about, living the purpose that God called you for, how to put that plan in place, and to be open to Him directing that step. So make sure y'all get registered and get ready, share this, and let other people know that we're going to talk about some faith-fueled goals, getting things done and getting it done the way that God wants us to get it done. All right, y'all, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.